Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a while, but you know, I've mentioned in my previous video I've recently gone back to school and things are getting hectic. Like, I'm not used to doing homework, all that kind of stuff, so I've been a little bit backed up. With that being said, today we are going to be unboxing the August Ipsy bag. I feel like I am so out of it today. Ignore the messy room, ignore all this mess. Let's get straight to this unboxing. My profile is strictly makeup. No skincare, no hair care, and no nail polish or any of that stuff. So this month the bag is orange with like little yellow detailing around it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you know. I feel like I'm very awkward right now. I'm a little bit out of it. I haven't filmed in a while. I like the design of it. Very summery. Opening it up, we have the card that says selfie with no filter. I'm sorry, you will never catch me unfiltered. I will always have a filter in every picture. That's just how I am. But that is what it says. I'm wearing tons of makeup today. I can't do it with a bare face sometimes, you know what I mean? The first things first, I see a Pixie by Petra. I believe this is a highlighter. Oh, it's like a highlight and blush duo. It is nice. I haven't tried anything from Pixie before. I'm not going to open it yet. It does have a safety seal around it, which is good. But this is the color that it is. It's actually very pretty. It's Peach Honey. I don't want to open it yet. I want to wait a little bit till I try it. Next item here is the Professional Pearl Primer. I've tried the regular Professional. I've never tried the pearl one. I know I'm going to probably rip through this packaging, but here is the actual product. It is very tiny. But it does feel full. Actually, I can see from the sunlight it's probably like up to there. But, I mean, I'll give it a try. This is kind of like like I'm not crazy about this. I'm not crazy about the original Professional either. I just wasn't a fan of it. I felt like it made me very oily. Next thing that is here, it is the Hikari Cream Pigment. Okay, this sounds like a cream shadow, and the color Latte. If I can get this open. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is actually very nice. I am going to swatch this. I don't know if this is a cream or it's a shadow, but it is very creamy. But I think it's powder. Ooh, look at that. This is definitely like a cream formula, but it is a powder shadow, at least I think. But it is from Hikari, and I believe I haven't tried anything from this brand before. I probably received it in a box, but I think I received a mascara and I put that in a giveaway. Next thing I see here is a Macy and Mia Ava, the color, it's in the color Ava, but I don't know if this is a liquid lipstick or a lip gloss. It is a really pretty color. It smells really good. It has a standard doe foot applicator. This is a gloss, now that I am swatching it. But it is a very pretty color. I really like this. The size, I'm not crazy about the size, but I mean, it is gorgeous. It's that color right there. I really like it. I'm alright with this box, with this bag so far. Last but not least, I got the Black Tea London Classic Serum. Let me see if I can get this open. I'm back, you guys, and I almost broke a tooth. Like, I tried to get this open. I feel like I even chewed the side of it. It just got really awkward. This is a London Classic Serum. It is black tea. So it's just a face serum. It doesn't feel, it's big, but it doesn't feel like really full. I kind of feel that it's like right there. But, it smells really nice. Let's see. Ooh, oh my god, I just put so much out. Like, poured so much product. I feel like I don't know what I'm saying right now, but it's that right there. It smells really good. Did I get that on my nose? No. So let me wipe my hand on my blanket. So these are all the items that I got in my Ipsy for the month of August. What are my thoughts? I'm not super crazy this month. I'm not like whoa about it. I feel like I like all of these products, but I'm not crazy about them. I think my favorite item would have to be the Pixie blush. But other than that, all of the products are just like, they're nice, but I'm not blown away like I was last month. This concludes my video, you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm doing weird hand moments. I will catch you guys in the next one. I'm just waiting for more boxes to come in. But that is all for today. Bye.